Hello everybody, I'm Meherwan Irani, chef, restaurateur, grill maestro. Welcome to Field to Flame. I'm here with my friends from Kingsford and Masterbuilt with some seasonal ingredients we're going to take straight from the grill to the dining table with some recipes for winter and fall that your friends and family are going to love. Today, making a charred green bean salad with bell peppers, some lovely feta cheese, and a light sherry and olive oil vinaigrette. I'm going to spice the whole thing up with some Calabrian chili oil. This is a lovely salad for when the weather starts getting cooler. The grilled green beans and the grilled bell peppers with a little bit of heat from the Calabrian chili peppers all mixed together with the smoky notes from the grill. It's perfect for the winter season. First, let's assemble our vinaigrette and put the onions in there to soak. So next we're going to coat our green beans and our bell peppers with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then hit the grill. I got the 1050 loaded up with Kingsford Charcoal, temperature set and holding steady at 550 degrees. We're ready to grill. Green beans and bell peppers are off the grill and cool down to room temperature. We're going to cut the bell peppers into large chunks, mix in the feta, the dressing, and then finish with Calabrian chilies. Okay, this is all put together. Let's give it a taste. Get some of that green bean, a little feta, a little bell pepper. You want the perfect bite. This is amazing. I'm good. This thing makes me look good. This is an amazing dish. It's perfect for fall, perfect for cold weather. The heat and the warmth of the salad, and this thing's going to be a showstopper. You know, it's kind of hard to get smoky notes on grilled vegetables, but this Kingsford Charcoals are doing the job. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to pick up your ingredients. Kingsford Charcoal, the Gravity Series 1050. See you next week.